Just press the chop one if you have this. Bruh.
Welcome back. Welcome. Today, me and Nicole are going to prepare for you and us jerk fried chicken bites and cauliflower mashed potatoes. So, chicken's already been washed, cleaned, and cut up. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, babe.
And now I'm going to start the seasoning process. So first, 2 tablespoons of this. One on each side. That's numero uno. Numero dos. That's the jerk seasoning we use, hot and spicy. You can get this on the ethnic aisle. Next, we're gonna use some beautiful nutmeg. Not too much. I got 1/4 teaspoon here. But I'm only gonna use about half of the 1/4 teaspoon because nutmeg's pretty strong. So sprinkle that on there. Now, got the chompers. This is actually a really awesome gadget. Now you don't have to worry about squeezing your hands. Now you can just put the lemon or lime in there, like so. Grab it, and you squeeze. We usually use limes, but we don't have any limes, so today we're doing lemons. Limes taste a little bit better, just gives it a little bit more zest. Now, do I want to use my hands, or do I want to use a utensil? Got my tongs. Not gonna use the hands, because then I could be like touching my face after I do this, and then that would really burn and be bad. Beautifully cut, by the way.
Thanks, babe.
Get it all mixed in. Make sure you get all of it in there. All of it all over the chicken. Give it a nice little toss and flip. It should look like this.
Sometimes, guys, I like to shred some garlic in there and let it sit. But today we don't really need that. And just let it sit in the fridge. And guys, you don't have to use any other seasoning other than jerk seasoning because the jerk seasoning is very salty, so that's why we didn't add any salt or any other seasoning other than the jerk seasoning because it's very salty. So just add the jerk seasoning in there and add other spices in there and your chicken's gonna taste perfectly fine.
Man, that's gonna be so good.
So guys, now we're gonna cut up the cauliflower. I have a head of cauliflower. Cut them into florets, and then we're gonna boil it. It's basically the same way you make mashed potatoes. You make cauliflower mashed potatoes the basic same way. You boil it, chop it up, and then add your seasoning. We're gonna have garlic, cauliflower mashed potatoes. If you're on a keto diet, I know a lot of people are on this keto diet. This is a good substitution for carbs, so you don't have to have that much carb. Just cut it down and just cut them up into florets. Beautiful, baby. Or you can also break it off like that. That's probably more time consuming, but I'm strong, right, babe?
Yeah.
I already have some water boiling on high heat. I salted it as well, and just gonna let the cauliflower boil for like 15 minutes. I can easily chop this up into halves. It doesn't matter because I'm gonna smash it up, so cauliflower does not have to be perfect. Bae in the kitchen with me today. Someone requested us to do cooking videos together, so that's what we're doing for you guys. And this is our actual dinner for tonight. We're still trying to figure out what's the other side. These big pieces like that, I'm just gonna chop them up into halves, make smaller pieces so they can all cook faster. And you will make a mess.
The ends have to clean.
Lies. I'm always the type of person that clean as I go, for the most part. But that's how you take apart a cauliflower head. Salted the water, and I'm gonna. Well, I'll show you guys the process by the time, like how I make my garlic mashed potatoes and my garlic cauliflower. It's really good.
So good.
We'll be right back when we're putting it in the boiling water. So guys, now that the water's boiling, we're gonna add the cauliflower in there. Hi guys, I look crazy right now, but I'm home, but it's okay. A tip is to add salt to your water. It helps it boil quicker. So I'm just gonna put the cauliflowers in the boiling water. Be careful. If you're not a pro like me, don't do this at home.
So lame.
And remember, you're gonna cook your cauliflower for 15 minutes. I'm gonna have to add some more water. Bae gonna help me out. Thank Bae. Don't mind my deodorant stains on my shirt. It's life. I'm home. You care, Bae?
Nope.
Hey. And I still have it on high. Let's put the top on. And we'll be right back with the next clip.
Use canola oil. Just pour it in the pan or your pot. I'ma just eyeball it. Pour it up, pour it up. Watch it all fall out. And a tip from your boy. How you know the oil's hot enough? You get a little drip drip of water on your hand and you throw it in there, and if it goes it's ready to go. If it doesn't do that, then you need to wait a little bit longer.
And a little tip for everybody else. Oil usually heats up within 10 minutes, so set your time for 10 minutes and your oil should be hot already. Thank you.
Now for our jerk chicken fried bites, we gotta add some all-purpose flour. Open the bag and dump it in. And I'm also gonna use about a fourth of a cup of cornstarch.
And why are you using cornstarch, babe?
Well, fun fact I just learned. Cornstarch helps everything stick better to your meat, whatever you're frying. So, give it a little shaky shake. How my
or you can just get a
shuffling skills. Not very good. I'm gonna get a little fork and boom. Get it all nice and mixed together to get the ultimate stick for your fry. Things are coming at me like 100 miles an hour. So there's more stuff that's going in this. Some parsley flakes. A little dashy dash. And I'm feeling generous today, so I'm gonna add another little dashy dash.
Yeah, I like a more dash in there.
Mix it on up, get it in there.
Y'all look at my baby cook. I'm teaching him as he goes.
I know how to cook.
Well, he knows how to cook, but I usually
not this. I don't know how to cook.
I usually do this. So after the cauliflower is done, after 15 minutes, just drain it out. Be careful because the water is hot. You see all that steam? Yes. So just drain it out. And now we're just gonna put in the food processor and let go. So guys, we're gonna add some garlic to it. I have 4 cloves of garlic. I'm just gonna smash it up, and then I'm gonna add it with my cauliflower, and I'm also gonna add some butter. We always get the light butter. Smash these up. All you want to do is smash it. A little tip: just smash your garlic like that, and it'll take the skin off, whatever this is. I don't know what it is. So I have 4 garlic cloves here, but I might add more, or I might just add garlic powder because we love garlic. And if you guys don't know, there's a lot of health benefits for garlic, especially for the heart. So.
Especially for the heart.
What I always do is cut off this end part. If you guys can see. Our beautiful ninja here. This is my baby. Like I got this from Amazon for like 90 bucks, and it comes with the food processor and the smoothie part, and I love this. It's only like my second time using a food processor though, but it's easier when you're making this.
It's awesome.
Yeah, we have our cauliflower here, and all we're gonna do is put the cauliflower in here as well as the garlic cloves. My man. Just put them all in there, smash it up. It doesn't matter because it's about to get smashed up. So add like 2 garlic cloves in there right now. I'm gonna layer it.
I don't remember you doing all this last time you made this.
Because I didn't have this food processor. I think this is my first time making cauliflower mashed potatoes with you.
I thought it was your second time.
I don't think I had this other time. When I just added the last 2 garlic cloves, when it gets a little bit down more, then I'm gonna add the rest of the cauliflower in the butter. So put your top on. Oh, why ain't popping up? Oh, there it goes. So what we're gonna do first is chop it up. Just press the chop one if you have this. Bruh. So if it's not working, that means it's not locked. There we go. Guys, it's only my second time using it. Bear with me. So first I'm gonna pulse it and then I'm gonna chop it. Ooh, I already smell that garlic. For real, for real.
Furfur?
For real.
That's ready.
Huh?
I say that's ready.
This ready? And you guys, it really is. It's a nice little creamy texture, like mashed potatoes. Okay.
Got the chicken. Got my flour here. I'm gonna put it in there, mix it around, get it nice and doughed up, and then put it in the fryer. Get it nice and tossed up.
Like my chicken crispy.
Chicken crispy, crispy chicken, boy. We doing it big in here tonight.
We doing it big, fam.
All right, after you got them coated like so, be very careful and throw them in there.
And you don't want to overcrowd. Sorry guys, you don't want to overcrowd the pot or pan that you're gonna cook it in because it's gonna lower the temperature of the oil and it won't get as crispy.
Yep. So boom, let's do this.
How long are you gonna cook them for?
I don't really.
5 minutes.
I was gonna eyeball them, but Nicole said 5 minutes, so
Oh, they're little money.
5 minutes.
My cauliflower mix inside the pot. You guys can see that.
It looks like real mashed potatoes.
Bam, I'm telling you. And I'm just gonna put some salt in there, some pepper, and I'm gonna add some butter as well. A little parsley. And guys, if you, I usually eyeball it because that's just how I cook. You can use how much butter, salt, pepper you want, doesn't matter. I'm about to use like at least a teaspoon. I would say it's like a teaspoon of butter. I'm gonna put in there. And I'm gonna mix it all up. This is how it's looking right now. I'm gonna mix it all up, and then if I feel like I need more garlic flavor, I'm just gonna add some more garlic powder to it. So guys, I'm gonna add more garlic powder to this. You see it looks just like mashed potatoes, but it's just cauliflower. I'm gonna add more garlic powder to it and a little bit more salt because I want my food to be perfectly seasoned and I want more garlic flavor. So I'm gonna take my garlic powder we got from Aldi and just eyeball it. Use whatever measurements you want. You don't have to add more garlic, but I am. Add more salt. I'm trying not that much. A little more pepper. And I'm just gonna stir it on up. Guys, this looks just like mashed potatoes. Like,
I'm so hungry.
And we got some sweet corn in the back. It's boiling over there. I'm gonna show you guys Andy fried chicken.
Ooh, yeah.
And some are already ready, but we're not gonna show you guys until everything is done. So we'll be right back. So guys, now we're about to plate it. Everything is ready. This is a picture of Andy's jerk chicken bites. the mashed potatoes, cauliflower mashed potatoes. I'm trying to portion control, so that's why I use a smaller plate. We have some sweet corn here.
It looks good, baby.
Thanks, baby. It looks good too. You helped me. And then we're just gonna get like a handful of bites and put it on there. So we're gonna add some parsley flakes for decoration to both our chicken and our mashed potatoes, cauliflower mashed potatoes.
So that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it, because I know I'm about to enjoy this food, and I know she is too.
If you guys want to see more cooking videos with us, then let us know in the comments. I'm so like controlling in the kitchen because I'm so used to being in the kitchen. I cook on certain days and Andy cooks on certain days, but I'm still like the controlling person.
But we did this one together, right, babe?
Yep. And this is our finished. Sorry, babe. Our finished product. And my food of my chicken. Okay. So guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.